For years, Team Associated race vehicles have followed a similar formula. It starts with a base kit, and then followed up by a team kit, and then factory team upgrades, and ultimately a factory team kit. So it should come as no surprise that we're putting the capstone on the RC10 four-wheel drive. Presenting the RC10 four-wheel drive factory team kit.
With the success of the RC10 factory team kit and the RC10T factory team kit, the natural progression is to make an RC10 factory team four-wheel drive buggy kit. This is basically like the other two factory team kits. It has everything in the box that you need, big bore shocks, hex wheels, everything you need to get you down the track and going to win.
Whether you're a vintage racer or vintage collector, the RC10 four-wheel drive factory team kit has everything you need right out of the box. So, what exactly do you get in the box that makes this a factory team kit? Let's take a closer look.
What makes this a factory team car and sets it apart from previous releases is the factory team treatment. The captured hinge pins, which increases durability and reliability. So when you're racing on the track, you don't have to worry about any clips falling off. And next we have 12mm hexes all around. This allows modern wheels and tires to be mounted onto the vintage platform. This makes it a lot easier to find wheels and tires at your local hobby shop. And one of the bigger features on this platform is the big bore shocks. We also paired the big bore shocks with the carbon fiber towers, which are big bore compliant. The big bore shocks work a lot better on today's modern tracks that have a lot bigger jumps, and they're a lot harder packed tracks. So it helps with landing and even some of the bumpier tracks as well. We did include the smaller bore shock mounting positions in these towers, so you can also add the original shocks on if you'd like as well. Also on the rear shock tower, we integrated the B6 rear wing mount, and that's included as well in this kit. This being the third vehicle in the factory team vintage lineup, it's actually one of my favorite platforms. It's the funnest to drive for me, and I do look forward to driving it at the AE Vintage races.
Yeah, there's so many features on here that the car is just a great car to have, with everything in it right out of the box.
With a race kit like this, the features don't stop there. Just like our other factory team vintage kits, the RC10 four-wheel drive factory team kit includes a bronze anodized tub chassis, nose plate, and motor plate, black anodized nose tubes, chassis stiffeners, and thumb nuts, along with all black molded plastic. And nothing says factory team quite like carbon fiber, and this kit has plenty of it. The new lower CG front and rear shock towers are big bore compliant, with the rear tower provision for the included B6 wing mount, while the steering plates and transmission brace add durability and cool looks. A few other factory team upgrades include CNC machine blue anodized aluminum pulley flanges, clear polycarbonate Mirage Pro body with B7 wing, and CVA drive shafts front and rear. Of course, you get all the same great features as previous releases, such as our race-proven stealth transmission with V2 slipper clutch system, durable low-friction center belt guide and tension system, four-wheel drive world-style ball bearing supported bell cranks, adjustable heavy-duty 3.5mm turnbuckles with metric ball studs and ball cups, fully adjustable four-wheel independent suspension and ball bearings throughout. Since this kit's meant to be raced, you can be sure that Team Associated has your back with full part support and factory team upgrades. If you're looking to finish off your 10th scale kit, Reedy has you covered with a full suite of electronics. And for 10th scale, we're talking options across the board. whether you're looking to build your kit for competitive racing or just to have fun. So if you're looking for the ultimate vintage wheeler, look no further than the team associated RC10 4-wheel drive factory team kit. And you can pick it up along with all the upgrade and replacement parts at rc10.com or through popular retailers.